Hey fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday guys, first of all, like everyone. And yeah, this weekend I wasn't supposed to be, posting, but then one of my subscribers, Yatin, you might know him from our previous video, he requested me to make a fluffy butter slime, and here's the email. And like he mentioned, like Sunday 11:45 a.m. I'm waiting for your upload and whatnot. So I was like, oh my god, he's waiting for my upload, so I need to upload a video on Sunday, otherwise he will be like sad. I just can't disappoint my fantastics. So here you go, Yatin. Here's your video. I'm literally shooting this Saturday morning for you. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, then make sure to hit that like button. It really helps. And also subscribe, because most of you guys are just coming every Sunday, watching this video and just going. You guys have to subscribe, because the fantastic fam is literally the best fam. So you guys just hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. You guys can join our fantastic fam. So yeah guys, now without talking too much, let's get started with the video. So this is the video that they have requested. Let's see. So we need glue, shaving foam, and some air drying clay, an activator. So as you guys can see, this is pretty normal way of making fluffy slime, and let's see if this actually works or not, because I haven't tried this one yet. So yeah, let's try this recipe and let's see if this butter slime works or not. So yeah guys, now let's try the recipe. So to make this recipe, we first of all need our bowl. So here's our bowl, and now we'll take some glue. You guys can take literally any glue. I just happen to have some Fevicol, so yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to use. And if you guys want to buy any of the items that I'm using, links to everything are down in the description box, and you guys can click the link and easily get your ingredients. So yeah guys, that's it. Now let's pour our glue. This one is pretty used, I think. So yeah, we are not going to make too much of the slime, because we are just testing this recipe. And yeah, and even in like fluffy slime, like fluffy butter slime, we don't need that much of glue. We just need a lot of shaving foam. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use, and I think this is it. Now our next ingredient is going to be shaving foam. So here's our shaving foam. Now let's add our shaving foam. We are not going to add any water into this recipe, because shaving foam is already going to melt the slime a lot, and also the clay. So we are not adding any water into it. Let's add. So yeah, it looks a lot, but it's really not, you guys. Now let's mix our slime ingredients. Oh my god, it looks so fluffy. It's going to be super nice. So now I think our slime mixture is mixed nicely. All this shaving foam is mixed with the glue, I think. Can you guys see that? How beautiful this looks? This literally looks like whipping cream, you guys. But yeah, now is the step for the activation, and we are going to activate our slime with a slime activator. So the activator I'm using today is a strong borax activator, and it has like 2 teaspoons of borax for 1 cup of water. So yeah, it is like a super strong activator. So make sure you guys make a very mild one and start activating it with like an easier activator. But I'm going to use this since I work with slime a lot. So yeah, let's activate this and yeah, let's see. As you guys can see, it is activating like super quickly, but you need to knead it a lot, you guys, otherwise the slime won't form. It's literally like two ingredient fluffy slime, just glue and shaving foam. It's literally so nice, you guys. Wow. Now when it is like this, you guys have to go in with your hands, apply some activator on your hands and start kneading the slime. So now I'll just knead the slime in front of you guys and show you the final texture. Can you guys look at that? Oh my god. It looks like marshmallow fluff, you guys. Oh my god. So this is our super fluffy slime. So as you can see, it has been activated. And yeah. Wow, can you guys see that? My god, this is like the lightest slime. Oh my god, you guys, I just can't stop playing with it. It's so nice. It doesn't even need the clay, but I know it's going to be like 100 times better when we add clay to it, even though it's like already like the best slime. But yeah. Now let's add our clay. So fantastics, let's add our clays now. So I am adding these two since like they are most similar to the ones that she's using in her video. So yeah, let's mix these. Oh my god, this is going to be the cutest slime. I just, I'm like super excited. I just can't wait to see how the slime turns out. Oh my god. My god, this clay is literally stuck. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? Oh my god. Now let's mix them. Oh my god, this color is going to be super nice. Can you guys see how pretty this looks? This slime literally hold its shape. Like, can you guys see that? It literally looks like a rose, you guys. Oh my god. This recipe is like a 10 on 10, and I'll give this recipe 10 out of 10 because can a slime get better than this? I don't think so. This is like the best slime recipe. So yeah guys, now let's enjoy the slime ASMR. So yeah guys, if you guys want me to try some of your guys recipes, then make sure to give them in the comment section down below, or you guys can literally email them like Yatin emails me. My email ID is also in the description down below. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And yeah guys, I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.